When you create an account on LogTag Online, you automatically create and become the owner of a team. This allows you to invite others to view or help manage your account. To manage your team settings, click on the drop-down menu on the top right and select Manage Team. You can do this from any page on LogTag Online. On the left is a list of your team members and the permission levels they have been given. Their role determines if they can create, edit or remove other users, locations and devices, or just view them. Areas are a hierarchical way to both manage a large number of locations and control who in your team can see what. By default, you have one area, which is the top level of your team. Additional areas can be created under the Location section of LogTag Online. The top right Edit Team button allows you to change the name of your team. Other options might be available depending on the type of account you have. Use the form on the right-hand side to invite other people to your team. Simply enter their email address, select an area if multiple areas exist, specify their account role, and finally click Invite. They will receive an email inviting them to join your team. If they accept, they will become a member of multiple teams. If the person does not have a LogTag Online account, then the email invitation will take them through the sign-up process. They will only see your team by default.